Let you know. Welcome back to my class. Now I am dealing with 10th class similar triangles. Example 3 I am doing. Let me write the table. The diagonal question, what is the problem here? The diagonal of the quadrilateral, the diagonal of the quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD intersect each other at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. This you need to prove. So you have got a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and AC is one diagonal, BD is another diagonal. They are intersecting at O. So what is given to us? ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC and BD are diagonals. AC intersects BD at O and AO by BO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is given to us. This can also be written as, this implies AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. You can write like this. What did I do? I brought this CO here, I brought this BO there. This will help us to prove the sum very easily. This is what is given to us. What did they say? The diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC and BD are the diagonals. They intersect each other at O such that AO by OC, CO is equal to BO by DO. Now you have to prove what is RTP required to prove. ABCD is a trapezium. This you need to prove. Now here you have got a construction. What is the construction? You have to draw XY parallel to AB through O. Draw XY parallel to AB through O. Okay. Now see, XY is parallel to AB. Now let us see the proof. Now let us take triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, XO is parallel to AB. This is our construction. When you say that XY is parallel to AB, definitely XY will be parallel to AB. What does this mean? This implies when XY is parallel, you can say that AX by DX is equal to AX by dx is equal to AO by CO. AO by CO. AX by DX is equal to AO by CO. What is this? This is converse of BPT. If a line is drawn parallel, this is BPT, not converse. Directly BPT. If a line is drawn parallel to If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So, basing on BPT, AX by DX is equal to what you can say? AX by DX is equal to here we are talking about ABD, no? So, AX by DX, this is the triangle BO by OD, children. This is BO by DO because we are talking about triangle A, B, D. We are now talking about this triangle, so we have to talk about these two sides only. So AX by XD or DX is equal to BO by OD basing on BPT. But what is BO by OD or DO? BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. This is given to us. Yes or no? You can see. BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. What does this implies? This implies AX by DX is equal to AO by CO. So let us see the figure. AX by DX is equal to AO by CO. That means these two are similar, equal. Means they are in same ratio. That means what? You can say that XO is parallel to CD. Basing on when sides are proportional, then the line is parallel. This is converse of BPT. Basing on converse of BPT, here sides are proportional because they have given parallel. We said sides are proportional. Here we have got sides are proportional, so we are getting them as parallel. The sides are parallel to each other, we could prove. So this is basing on converse of BPT. So when you take AX by, let us consider this as first equation and consider this as second equation. From, let me divide it so that it is convenient for you to understand. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get, what do we get? See, these two are parallel. AX by DX is equal to BO by DO and AX by DX is equal to AO by CO. So, what did you say? XY is parallel to CD. We have got basing on from 1 and 2 we get already we have written here XO is parallel to CD. Also XO is parallel to AB. This is our construction. Therefore, I will say that AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, what can you say? When AB is parallel to CD, when opposite sides are parallel, ABCD is a trapezium. Hence, proved. So, I hope I am clear, children. Please copy this. Now, let us see the next example. Example 4. In trapezium, ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. EF are points on E and F are points on non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively. So show that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So how will you prove? You have got a trapezium. Trapezium is given to you A, B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and E and F are the points are non-parallel. See, these two are non-parallel sides. So let me write E and F are the points on non-parallel non-parallel sides. AD and BC. For AD, E is the point. For BC, F is the point. So, what is given to you? ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. E lies on AD and F lies on BC. This is given to us. What is RTP? You have to prove that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. This you need to prove it. Now there is a construction. What is the construction? You have to join E and F. So it is construction, no? Join E and F. E and F and also AC, A and C. You have to join A and C. So when you join EF and join in trapezium, they have even given EF is parallel to AB. Did I write? EF are the points on AD such that EF is parallel to AD, the AB. That I have written. I have not written, children. The problem says that E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively such that. So here the question is not complete. I'm sorry. Let me write that first. Such that EF is parallel to AB. Show that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So what is given to us? ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. E lies on AD. F lies on BC. EF is parallel to CD. So this we have to draw broad line because they have given EF. This is parallel to CD. So construction is, here the construction will be join AC and AC intersects EF at G. Let me name this point as G. Now let us see the proof. In triangle ACD, see children, triangle ACD, this triangle. In triangle ACD, EG is parallel to CD. This is given to us. EG is parallel to CD. See, EF is parallel to AB and EG is a part of EF. So EG is parallel to CD. It is given to us. Therefore, AE by ED is equal to AE by ED is equal to AG by GC basing on PPT. Let us consider it as first equation. AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. Now, let us take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, GF is parallel to AB. Why is it? Because AB is parallel to CD. See, when EF is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to AB, then definitely this line is parallel to this also. EF is parallel to AB. Therefore, what you can say when GF is parallel to AB, what you can say? AG by GC is equal to BF by FC basing on BPT. Let us take this as the second equation. So you see children, in these two AG by GC are same. So from 1 and 2 we get AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. This is what they have asked us to prove. RTP. Oh, here I have not written RTP. RTP is nothing but AE by ED is equal to BF by FC is RTP. So AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. We have proved. Hence, proved is the proof for this construction, children, for this problem, example 4. I hope I am clear to you. Go through it. What they have given already, they have given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. E and F are points on AB and BC, and EF is parallel to CD, they have given. So you need to prove that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So first what you are doing, you are joining A and C, construction. This is intersecting EF at G. Now when you are considering ACD triangle, in this triangle EG is parallel to CD, they have given to us. So AE by ED is equal to AG by GC, we have proved basing on BPT. Now the next one, when you see, GF will be parallel to AB. Why? Because this is parallel to CD, and this is parallel to AB. So GF is parallel to AB. So AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. Basing on two equations, you can prove that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. This is the proof, children. Listen twice or thrice if you need any explanation, and try to learn it, children. These type of sums are important. Example 3, example 4. Very, very important sums, children. These are. Let's say one that you will get it. Now let me see. Exercise. Examples are completed. Now exercise 8.1. First problem. In triangle PQR, ST is a line. ST is a line such that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR, and also angle TSP is equal to angle PRQ. Prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Figure is given in this way. This is triangle PQR, and this is S, and T is a line such that angle PST or angle TSP is equal to angle PRQ, and also PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. Now you need to prove that this triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal. So what is given to us? In triangle PQR, ST is a line where S lies on PQ and T lies on PR. And also they have given that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. This is also, this they have given. Apart from this, angle TSP is equal to angle PRQ. This is all what they have given to us. What is RTP? You have to prove that PQ is equal to PR. Then only you can say, when two sides are equal, then only we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. So PQ is equal to PR, we need to prove. So let us see the proof. Proof is PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. This is given to us. Therefore, what you can say, ST is parallel to QR basing on converse of BPT. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, then this line is parallel to the third side. So ST is parallel to QR. So when it is in this way, these two are parallel lines, then angle TSP will be equal to angle RQP. Angle RQP, this angle TSP is equal to angle RQP. Why? They are corresponding angles. So they are equal. But angle TSP is equal to angle PRQ. This is given to us. That means what? Angle RQP is equal to angle PRQ. Angle RQP, this angle is equal to angle PRQ, this angle. Both of them are equal. That means what? PQ is equal to PR. It is basing on the theorem which you have learnt in the 9th class. In a triangle, when two angles are equal, the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Basing on that theorem, we will say that PQ is equal to PR. This means what? Therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. This is the proof. Hence, proved. This is the proof, children. Copy it. This is first problem of 8.1 exercise. Now, let us see the next problem. You have got a figure, children. This is A, B, C, D, and you have got L, M. Okay, and then L, N. Now, in the given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Okay, this is the problem. So, what is given to us? Let us first take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC. Then, in triangle ADC, LN is parallel to CD. This is given to us. Now, we need to prove. What is RTP required to prove? AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This you have to prove. Now let us see the proof. Let us take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is given to us? LM is parallel to BC. When LM is parallel to BC, I can say that AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. This is basing on BPT. Actually, in BPT, you have learnt that. Let me draw a triangle and explain you. If it is A, B, C and DE parallel to BC, actually in your theorem, you have learnt that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. But actually, the theorem can be prolonged. How? AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Even that you can prove, but that proof was there in the earlier textbook. Now, in the new textbook, that part is deleted. So, that part I have not taught you. But remember that according to BPT, not only AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, but also AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. This is also there in BPT, means the proportional in any way, whichever way you are taking the ratio, they are equal. That is the meaning of basic proportionality theorem, or we can also call it as Thales theorem. So basing on that, what I have done here, because in the problem they are asking AM by AB. So that way we need to take. So here AM by AB will be equal to AL by AC I should take. Similarly, this you can take it as the first equation. Now, in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, LN is parallel to CD. Therefore, LN is parallel to CD. Therefore, AL by AC is equal to AN by AD basing on BPT. This is second one. So in these two cases, you see this is repeating AL by AC, AL by AC. So therefore, from 1 and 2, we get AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Hence, proved. So this is the proof. I am dividing it so that it is convenient for you to copy. This is proof. So this is the second problem, children. I hope I am clear to you. Please copy. Now, let us see the third problem. You have got a figure, children. Let me first draw the figure. A, B, C and DE. DE is parallel and you have got AE, this is AE and then DF. So this is the figure given to us, and the problem is, in the given figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So this is the problem, children. So what is given to you? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. See, forget about these two. Now let me first write what is given. DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Now RTP. What you require to prove? BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. This you need to prove. Now let us see the proof. Now proof. Now in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. This is given to us. See children, DE is parallel to AC. Forget about this line. When DE is parallel to AC, what you can say? BD by DB. BD by DA. BD by DA is equal to BE by EC, basing on BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If a line is parallel to one side, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Now let us take this, we will take as the first equation. Now you take triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, in this DF is parallel to AE. This is given to us. DF is parallel to AE. Therefore, BD by DA, BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. BD by DA is equal to BF by FE, basing on BPT. This is second equation. So, from 1 and 2, see here, BD by DA, BD by DA. LHS are same, RHS will be same. So, from 1 and 2, we get BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. Hence, prove. This is the third problem, children. Please copy it. So with this, I am concluding my topic. I will be doing the next part in the next class.